On Monday, November 11th, York High School hosted their annual Veterans Day Assembly in order to honor all of our veterans and currently active service members.
I used the GI Bill to attend college and accomplish my dream. I worked hard and even achieved a 4.0 grade point average. Had I not learned discipline and focus from my military training, I may not have ever been able to achieve my success. People from all walks of life, once in uniform, with the same haircut, the same performance, the same clothing, the same everything. You are not set apart, you are a team.
Even though Veterans Day is now over, always keep veterans in your heart and make sure to always say thank you, because without them, our country would not be the same as it is right now. For YTV, this is Jake Hansman.